red eyes on that one.
Yep.
He'll tire soon. She'll tire soon. There she is. Quick. Oh. Yep, there it is. Officially caught.
Ball.
It's a good size one.
Yeah, it's like 2 pounds.
Hold it up.
Big chunky.
Big chungus.
Big chunky smally.
Smally.
Look at those fins.
Nice fin, yeah.
Big grill.
See down them throat. Oh yeah. Whoa.
Yeah.
Say hi. Get a good release.
Nice.
Wait, where'd you go?
It's just like.
That's what the other one did. They must be like lethargic or something.
No, they're not.
They're just gonna go deeper in the rocks. That's what. Come on.
There you go.
Yeah. There we go.
Ah!
I hope I catch a fat Sally. Bench time. He's out there. Look at him. Look at that fucking scumbag piece of shit. You can tell. Look at that piece of shit. There you go.
Beachwood.
Ah, right in the dick. Right in the back of my balls. There he is. No shirt have motherfucker.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Have an ass.
We came off the boat the other day. We're now citizens of Burton Island.
Yeah.
Actually, we came here so much, I think we are considered citizens of Burton Island. We should declare this our country. We've been here for 40 days. Oh, she's ramping up. It's gonna be a quick one.
Yeah, it is gonna be quick. It's already over.
He does have a rough neck like a lobster. Boom. I think I'm gonna have a little contest. See if people actually watch our videos. I don't know how long into the video this is gonna be, but right here, see this tree? Right here. If you're watching this right now and you see this tree, it's like half a tree but still alive. Email us at dillonstreetboys@brattlebrookparks.com. Win a free t-shirt and we'll send it to you, maybe depending on how close you are, personally delivered.
I thought there was a trail last night.
Wait, what's wrong with this one?
I don't know.
Look at him, no shirt. Thinks he's all fucking sick and badass. The first year we came here, this rock, only this part was exposed out of the water. That's how high this water was when we first came here. All this was underwater. We couldn't get to this rock. Right where Darvis is standing now, we didn't step in that spot until a year later.
Oh! Got one. First cast. No. He ain't ready. He ain't ready. All right, now you.
Hold it up for a picture.
I can't do it. I'm afraid.
Don't be a bitch.
I don't want to hurt it.
It's already hurt. You might as well finish the job.
No, he's not through his
Look at
eye,
me,
it's like
Pookie.
through the socket.
Oh,
Here.
you're fine. Come on. Dude. Ooh. Give me the fish. There we go. Look
what Darvis caught.
Yeah, it's all
Yeah, look what Darvis caught.
See, here at the Bradbrook Parks Department, former Bradbrook Parks Department, we take care of these animals. We're going to get that hook out of his eye right there, and we're going to put him back in the water.
Yep.
If he dies, we're going to eat him tonight. If you're watching at this point, let us know down in the comments, win a free hat. If there's multiple people that comment at the same time, we'll pick your name out of a hat, and you win a free hat.
There you go. Made it just in time. Thank
Yep.
you, Darvis. See, I could not have done that.
Yes, you could have.
No, I don't.
Be a
I
brave-
would have hurt him.
Be a big brave boy.
I wish I could one day.
Is it warm?
Yeah, it's up. I mean,
Oh, it's the cove. The cove is usually always warm.
cool fucking lightning. You guys did it. You were with it. You left me alone.
Oh, you fucker. This is actually Zach Darvis's bath time. He doesn't like to shower. So this is how he cleans his feet.
He never actually got in the shower last night.
No, he did what you did. He stood on the mat the whole
Yeah,
time. He
he's-
kind of like splashed it
Yeah,
onto his
splashed
balls.
around. Yeah, but yeah, he's secretly taking a bath right now.
Yeah. That's why he's like, oh, my balls. And then he got back a little bit. He didn't really wash. Oh, you fucker.
He's attracted to your ball sack.
I didn't know there was a tree behind me.
You tried fishing. Immediately got your line in a tree.
Yeah! There's my catch. Little fisher dude. Look at him. Yeah, look at you. Oh, you're an easy one. That's an easy peasy. At least you didn't end up like this guy, huh? I love how we got lost the other night. It was so good. Now whenever we miss Champlain, we can just watch this video.
Yep.
That wind came out of nowhere.
Brett, you are not a piece of shit.
No, it really does. I'm happy.
I love you, Brett.
Love you, Brett.
All these trees, they're really cool. I'll give anyone 200 bucks to stick your dick in these holes. Make a video of it and send it to us. He's sticking his dick in one of those holes. Mushroom alert! Looks like it's time to bring out the little bridge out further, huh? It's like the Lost Island, just randomly rains out here. Remember in Lost when they met the others?
Dude, if you catch a fucking monster, it's snapping your fucking line. Even a 1 pounder is gonna fucking feel like a 10 pounder.
Adjusting the drive. Hey guys, look at
The safest thing to pull up from a cliffside. Oh, 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 oh.
Hey, Boo. He's just like, where the fuck am I going?
Jesus Christ, that release might kill him. He's got 3 minutes. Oh, I thought we were doing Steak Monday. Chicken.
Check that out.
Are you finally gonna open it?
There's somebody in there.
Oh god, I wouldn't shit in there. Oh my god, a cockroach came right out. Nope. Nope. I wouldn't shit in there.
Oh, these fucking plastic bags that Brett had.
Just get an incinerator toilet.
Well, that defeats the purpose of putting your shit in a bag and spinning it wildly in your hands until you launch it.
Me and Brett did that once. We shit in a bag.
How's that?
Let's check it out.
So less fun, man. Check it out now.
Okay. Here's another outhouse. This is where you gotta shit when you're in the paddle sites. Not as scary, but they're shit stains. Alright, I'm ready to move on. Coming? Yeah, hold on. He ain't coming.
Like CGI Brett onto our face.
CGI Brett.
And like one of us can
Like
pretend.
a deep fake?
Yeah, deep fake, and we'll pretend to fucking be
Darvis
Brett.
even promoted to Brett. We just have to deep face every video.
Fake it. The mosquito was so fucking loud in my
Like,
ear.
there's so much land over there, they should build a bridge.
They have the bridge here for the swamp.
No, but they should do it like through it.
Snacking stand.
They should have put like picnic tables and benches out here.
They should have a plan to do something out here if they opened it up dramatically. Like they pushed all that back.
They're gonna do something.
Yeah, they have to have a plan. The gots to make it worth it. They get fucking dump trucks out, or
They got a barge.
yeah, but how did they get those out here?
Drive. A microwave.
The junkyard.
Are those kayaks? Refrigerator. Old cart. An old weed whacker. Oh, they're all fucked up.
Yep.
Nope, he's playing with his penis. Wait, too scared to check it out?
I just have no use to go check out a dump out of here.
It wasn't.
It was actually pretty cool.
There's no way I could have eaten 150 hot dogs myself. There's no way. But then Brett came in at the 11th hour. Like a noble.
He chewed them up and spit them in your mouth and you swallowed them all.
No. We boiled those glizzies. Raw dogged them. No bun.
Boiled those.
Oh
Just
shit.
ranch. We sucked those fuckers down for 3 days
Boiled
straight.
pussy.
I've never seen such bravery.
Boiled Brett pussy.
True definition of a man.
Bye.
Are you checking your pulse? Yep. He's cutting off the circulation to his brain while he's walking. $1.50?
$1.30.
Why 30? I don't have any money on me.
It's like I have to put it. It wasn't me. Lost it.
Wow.
Oh,
Oh, the other way.
oh yeah. Oh my gosh. It sucked it. Oh, it processed it.
Quick, pick a soda. Oh, it works.
What I'm Mountain Dew.
Charging right now. Hopefully that light charged, because you can't unattach the fucking sun thing. Got these rope lights that blink at night. Got this awesome spotlight. And this is our camp. And now you see the adventures that we go on Burton Island. We take that trail multiple times a year. Super fun. Next, we'll be doing it at night. So there's a lot of stuff that goes wrong at night. There's a lot of spiders, there's a lot of moths. It's really fun, really cool. You should join us. See you later.